Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Memory Monday. Today we'll embark on our topic, meal planning. Meal planning doesn't have to be a boring chore. In fact, it can be a powerful tool that unlocks a treasure trove of benefits for your wallet, your waistline, and your well-being. Why meal plan? Say goodbye to the what's for dinner panic, the nightly scramble through the fridge, and the last-minute impulse buys at the grocery store. Meal planning provides a clear roadmap for your week, eliminating decisions and fatigue and stress. Save your hard-earned cash. Impulse buys and takeout temptations vanish when you have a plan. Stick to your grocery list and watch your food budgets shrink. You'll even avoid food waste, which can save hundreds of dollars a year. Fuel your body right. With meals planned in advance, you can prioritize healthy choices and ensure that you're getting the nutrients you need. No more settling for unhealthy options when hunger strikes. And unleash your inner chef, even if you're a beginner. Explore new recipes and cuisines when you have the time to plan. Plus, pre-chopping veggies or prepping ingredients in advance makes cooking a breeze. More time for the things you love. Meal planning saves you precious minutes in the kitchen, freeing up time for hobbies, socializing, or simply relaxing. Ready to reap the rewards of meal planning? Start small, explore different approaches, and find what works best for you. You might be surprised how much it can transform your life. Planning is the key. So outline your meals for the week. Consider the dietary needs and preferences of people in your family. Shop smart, create a list, buy staples in bulk, utilize frozen and pre-cut options for ease. Choose versatile ingredients. Pick protein and veggies that can be used in multiple different dishes throughout the week. And invest in good containers, leak-proof, microwave safe, and portion controlled. Also do batch cooking. So cook grains, proteins, or sauces in large quantities for easy reuse. So you could have if you're going to have pasta in a couple meals, just double up the pasta and then put it in two separate containers. So then you just have to grab and go at one of the meals in the week. So let's look at 3 easy recipe ideas. Mason jar salads. You can layer protein, veggies, grains, and dressings in individual jars for grab-and-go lunches. Also, sheet pan dinners. You can toss proteins, veggies, and seasonings on a sheet pan and bake for a complete meal. Also, breakfast burrito bowls where you can scramble eggs with veggie portions and put them in bowls and put toppings on them like salsa and avocado and cheese. Some time-saving hacks that you can do. Prep while watching TV. So one night, just chop a bunch of veggies, marinate protein, cook grains while you're relaxing, watching TV. So get it all done in one night and put it in separate containers and throw it in the icebox. Double recipes and freeze half. So enjoy your meal now and have another prep for later. So just double it up and then freeze for another week even. Utilize leftovers. Use leftovers from dinner and use them for your lunch sometime during the week. And clean up as you're going. So when you're doing all the meal prepping, just kind of clean as you're going and it's not so overwhelming in the end. And we have a meal prep challenge. So there are different apps that you can actually use for meal prep. And so if you go to your Google store and look up meal prep apps, you can find a couple free ones. There is one that I found that the unpaid version, you only can do a day at a time, but the paid version is very actual minimal and you can actually create a whole week and it even gives you the shopping list. And that app is called Eat This Much. So Eat This Much on the Google app. You can try the free version and see how that works. And I also found a free version online, but it is glitchy, but you could try it. Maybe it was just my computer that's glitchy, but you could actually try it and see if it's something that might work for you. And I will give you the name of that. I'm looking it up right now. It is called tastesbetterfromscratch.com. So tastesbetterfromscratch.com. And there is a free version, but there on my computer, there was a lot of pop-up ads that were kind of irritating, but you do get to pick different recipes, save them, and then put them into a meal prep, and then be able to actually download a grocery list off of it. So that's another idea. So you can look into that. Maybe you won't have pop-ups on your computer. I'm not sure if it was just something on my computer or not. So this week's challenge is try to prepare your meals for 1 week and just see how that goes. Whether if you don't want to do all the meals for the week, just prepare like lunches if you have to go to work. So you have easy grab and go lunches for the week. Or maybe just prepare dinners for the week so you're not like rushing home to cook dinner that night after work. You'll have everything already ready to go. So you can just try something different, see what works for you, and let me know how you did. Have a great week, everyone. I want to thank you for joining tonight. I'm hoping these weekly gatherings will enrich our understanding of brain health and strengthen our bond as a community. Let's keep learning, and I look forward to having fun chats in the weeks ahead.